In this video, I will show you how to invite your team members to collaborate. From the side menu, click on Team. This will take you to the team members page, where you will see yourself listed as an admin. To add team members, click Invite Member button. Provide the member email address and select the role, either a member or an admin. Once you input all the details, click the invite. This will send an invitation and the invitation will go into the pendings. You can click on it and you will be able to see all the pending invitations. You can also filter by status as well. You can search the invitation by an email address for a quick search. That's it, your workspace is now set up and your team is ready to collaborate. In the next video, I will show you how to create your first project.